show you about managing setting of mobile operating system. Contents overview. First, mobile operating system. Second, installing applications and content. Third, Android touch interface. And the fourth, iOS touch interface. Mobile operating system. Brief overview of Android and Apple iOS operating system. Android operating system is developed by Google. It's an open source mobile platform based on the Linux kernel. It powers a variety of devices, including smartphones and tablets. Apple's iOS is a closed-source mobile operating system. It's designed exclusively for Apple's hardware, including iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touch devices. Differences between these operating systems in terms of user interface, features, and functionality. First, user interface. Android offers a more customizable user interface, allowing users to personalize widgets, themes, and app layouts. Its different manufacturers may have their own customized skins, resulting in a varied visual experience. And Apple iOS, known for its consistent and uniform interface across devices, Apple maintains strict design guidelines, providing a clean and intuitive user experience with limited customization options. Features. Android emphasizes flexibility and diversity. Users can access the full file system, use third-party app launchers, and choose from a wide range of device options with varying features. Multitasking capabilities are often more varied. Apple iOS prioritizes a controlled and seamless experience. Its features are carefully curated, with Apple often introducing them in a more controlled manner. The closed ecosystem contributes to a cohesive and integrated user experience. Functionalities. Android functionalities allows for more diverse functionalities, including deeper system integration for third-party apps, diverse hardware options, and greater freedom for developers to innovate. Offers more extensive sharing capabilities between apps. Apple iOS, known for a more restrictive environment which enhances security but limits certain functionalities. The closed nature can lead to a smoother and more consistent performance across different iOS devices.
So now we go to the next part, which is installing application and content. Explain the method of installing application and content of mobile device, differentiating between pull and push method. So we got pull technology, which is client requests their server for the information. For push technology, server updates the information to the client without waiting for a request. The second one for pull technology is a user using a web browser and requesting for a web page. For push technology, an email is immediately sent from the server to the client. And the last for the pull technology is pull technology used when advertisers want to reach global audience or build a customer base. And for push technology, it used by online advertisement, chat, email system, security application, and RSS feeds. So next, provide step-by-step instruction for installing a sample application using both methods on each operating system. For Android, for pull notification, firstly, we need to click Play Store and search for Gmail. Second, we need to click Install and wait until it's done, then click Open. Third, we need to click the profile picture. Fourth, click Add another account and click Google. Fifth, Enter your email or phone number and click Next. 6. Enter your password and click Next. 7. Read this statement. If you agree with this statement, click on I agree. And the last one, this sign in Google has been complete. For push notification, firstly we need to click Play Google Store, Play Store and search for TikTok. Second, click Install and wait until it's done, then click Open. Third, go to Profile and click. 4. Click the three line at the above of right side. 5th, click Settings and Privacy. 6. Search for notification and click. Then, click in-app notification. 7. Turn on the direct message notification. Lastly, if anyone starts to chat, this notification will come out. Notification. Firstly, we need to click App Store and search for Gmail. Second, click Install and wait until it's done, then click Open. Click the profile picture. Next, click Add another account and click Google. 5th, enter your email and phone number and click Next. Enter your password and click Next. And lastly, the sign-in account has been complete. Click App Store and search for TikTok. Second, click Install and wait until it's done. Then click Open. Third, go to Profile and click. 4. Click the three line at the above of right side. 5th, click Settings and Privacy. Search for notifications and click. Then, click in-app notification. Next, turn on the direct message notification. And lastly, if anyone starts to chat, this notification will come out.
Third question is Android Touch Interface. A. Identify and explain the items on the Android home screen. The first is weather and temperature. It shows the temperature and the weather on your location. Second, apps icons. These represent installed apps. Tapping an icon launches the corresponding apps. Third, date and time. These represent time and date. Fourth, Google search bar. By tapping the bar, it will bring straight to the Google web. B. Create a tutorial for staff member on managing apps, widgets, and folders on the Android device. Include steps for placing, moving, creating, and uninstalling apps. A. Managing apps. First, go to Settings, then click Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Second, click App Timers. Third, select the app you want to manage. Fourth, choose the time you prefer. And the last one, the apps have been managed by the timers you set. B. Widgets. Squeeze the screen until it pops the icon at the bottom, then click on Widgets. Select any widgets you want to apply. Third, click Add to apply calendar widgets on your home screen. Fourth, the widget has been applied. Next, folders. First, click the app that you want to put on the folder for 3 seconds. Then click select. Second, select your chosen apps. Then click create folders. Third, enter the name of the folder. And fourth, the folder has been created. Next, place apps. First, tap to the app for 3 seconds. Then click add to home button to place it on home screen. Second, the apps has been placed on the home screen.
The next one is moving apps. So the first thing that you need to do is tap the app that you want to move, and then the next step is moving the apps to the screen you want to move. Let's say you want to move an app from the third screen, and then you move it to the second screen or the first screen according to your preference. And then for the last step, the app has been moved to the screen you have preferred. So the next one is create apps. So the first step is click the app until the icon appeared, and then click select. And then for the second part, select the apps that you want and then click create folder. And then the folder has been created with the apps that you have decided to put into it. And the last one is uninstalling apps in Android. So the first step is to click the app that you want to uninstall for 3 seconds and click the uninstall button. And then click the OK button to uninstall the app. And then the app has been uninstalled. So now we're going to move on to the next part. So without further ado, we are going to explore iOS touch interface. So the first one is to identify and explain the items on the iOS home screen. So the first thing is the weather widget. So it shows the current weather based on the location we are in. And the next one is picture widget. So picture widget allows user to have a rotating photo from the photo library displayed with no additional effort required. So the photo will change from time to time in picture widget. The next one is apps icon. So it increases the visibility and discoverability of your app. So it will be easily accessed. And the last one is search bar. The search bar, you can actually enter what you are looking for in the search field. And in order to actually search for something, do any of the following: initiate your search, tap, search, or go. So for the next question, create a tutorial for staff members on managing apps and folders on the iOS device. Include steps for placing, moving, creating, and uninstalling apps. So the first one, we're going to manage apps. So in order to manage apps, first thing you need to do is open settings and click on the Apple ID profile. And then once in the Apple ID profile, click on password and security. And then once you are in password and security, click on sign in with Apple ID. And then the next part, choose any of the apps which uses the Apple ID to connect to it. So let's say you have chosen the apps that you wanted. Once the preferred app has been chosen, click on stop using Apple ID in order to manage the apps. So the next one is create folder and placing app into it. So first of all, identify the apps to be inserted into a folder, and then touch and hold the screen background until the apps begin to jiggle. And then the next part, to create a folder, drag an app onto another app. So once you have dragged the app, you can drag the other app into the same folder as well. And then for the last part, once all the app has been placed, to rename the folder, touch and hold it, tap rename, then enter a new name to the folder.
So the next one is moving. So the first thing you need to do is touch and hold any apps or folder until it began to jiggle, and then move the desired apps or folder to the next page or any page that you have in your phone screen by simply sliding it to the left or right. And the last part is uninstalling app. So the first thing you need to do is choose the app that you wanted to delete. Tap and hold on to the app until the app's properties show up. Then click on Remove App. This will be assigned as the red word. And the last step is to remove the app completely from the screen by clicking on Delete App.
Thanks for watching this masterpiece. We know we need award for this, but it's okay. Thanks for watching this. Tata, bye bye.
Bye.